What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the blue alien on deck, so let's get in here and see exactly what it is. It's the 200 GT from LDARC. So let's pop this open. So this is the quad. Wow, it seems pretty small. Pretty nice though. I'm liking it. Really light. Wow, this thing is really light. So this thing has LDARC branded Sunny Sky motors, 1806, 2500 kV. Let's see what else we have in here. We got the right props there, 4 of them. We got 4 of the left ones. We have a battery strap here. We have some zip ties and some rubber battery straps there. And we have some rubber grip right there. No slip for the battery. Looks like we have some motor protectors in here. So we have the option of adding the motor protectors. I think I will be adding those. And we got some screws in there. Different size screws. And we have, these look like they're receiver. Yes, they're receiver to FC wires. Nice of them to include that. Looks like we're going to have to install a receiver. That's all we have in the box there. No battery included. But this is a really nice case. It's definitely not going to fit in this case with the props on it. And so I guess that's why the props are not installed. Really nice, colorful illustration in the manual. We have a pinout of the FC there. So that's really nice. And they show you how to set it up with your Tyrannus and all. Other stuff on the other side. So really nice looking quad though. We have an XT60 on the end. The wires are nice and taped down. Looks like this is one of those 100 milliwatt VTXs. We have a buzzer on the bottom there. I believe it does have OSD. We have a run cam micro here. So it's not one of those knockoffs. It's actually a run cam on here. So really nice. I'm impressed. Let's see what it looks like with the props on it. Blam. So we got the props on it now. Feels really light. So we got 192, exactly 192 grams. Let's add a 650 milliamp hour 4S battery from G&B. That will bring us up to 277.1 grams. 850 milliamp hour 4S from G&B. We're going to be at 302.2 grams. 1300 milliamp hour Tattoo 4S battery. We're going to be at 339.7 grams. Not bad at all. Really nice looking copter. Different looking props there. King Kong has their own props. Looks like it's 5048. Flight footage of this one coming up really soon. Really looking forward to flying this one. And ultimately a quick review or full review. It's the LDARC FPV EG 200 GT. Thanks for watching.